Let's follow the step how to make a simple glitch text effect like this. First, insert text. I use Montserrat font size 280 pixels. Right-click and create outlines. Go to Pathfinder and click Unite. Press Ctrl+C to copy, and press D to reset color. Right-click, transform, move. Fill horizontal -20, and copy. Fill red and blue color. Selection. Right-click, and group. Go to Edit and paste in front. Selection. Set align center. Now, make a rectangle 50 × 10. Press Ctrl+C to copy, and press T to reset color. Right-click. Transform, move. Still using the previous number, click copy. Fill red and blue color. Selection, right-click and group. Go to Edit and paste in front. Selection. Click here. Set center. Selection, right-click and group. Move and copy to all letters. Don't forget press Alt to copy. Selection, set to none stroke. Activate Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt to remove. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.